In this video, I'll show you how to get the starter and builder plan for Base44 at almost 50% off if you're a student. To get started, click on the first link in the description, which will take you straight to the official Base44 website. Once you're there, click Build Now and register with your educational email address and a password to create a completely new account. Once you sign up, this will be your dashboard. Now we need to verify our student status to get 50% off the starter plan. Click on Upgrade Your Plan at the bottom left corner, which will take you to the pricing page. Here you can see all the pricing plans for Base44. Scroll down until you find the option that says Student or Teacher. Get up to 50% off on the starter plan. Verify your university email to unlock discounted pricing. Click on it. As you can see, you'll get 50% off the starter plan with full access to all its features. This offer can only be claimed once, and you can use the starter plan anytime. Here you have a field to enter your university email. Supported domains include .edu, .ac.uk, .ac, EL, and other university domains. Enter your educational email and click Send Verification Code. Wait a few seconds to receive the code in your inbox. As you can see, a verification code has been sent to my inbox. Copy the code, paste it into the field, and click Verify Code. It will take a few seconds to verify. Once verified, it will ask a few questions to complete the verification. First, select your role, student or teacher. If you're a student, select Student. Next, it will ask what you plan to use Base44 for. You can enter options like Class Project, Research Tool, or Thesis. I'll enter Projects. Then select your field of study from the dropdown. I'll choose Computer Science. Finally, enter your expected graduation date. I'll select May 2027. Then click Activate Discount and wait a few seconds. As you can see, it says Student Discount Activated. Your student pricing is now applied to eligible plans. Scrolling up, you can see the starter plan showing 50% off at just $8. Also, I just checked that they have updated the discount, making it applicable to the builder plan as well. However, there's an important catch. The 50% discount only applies to the yearly plan. For the monthly plan, you get 30% off, which is still a great deal. You can choose either the monthly or yearly plan. If you plan to use Base44 long-term, the yearly plan is the better value. If you're just starting out, the monthly plan is also a great option. I'll select the monthly plan and click Continue to Checkout. You'll be redirected to the Stripe checkout page. On the left side, you can see that the 30% student monthly discount has already been applied, and this discount is valid for 12 months. On the right side, simply enter your payment details and complete the payment procedure. This is how you can get almost 50% off the yearly plan or 30% off the monthly plan as a student on Base44. If you want to know how to get free credits on Base44 or get a discount on any of its paid pricing plans, simply click on the video appearing on your screen.